Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing a quick easy DIY recipe that is a clay face mask, and it only really requires 3 ingredients and is super quick to make and very effective. What you're going to need is some bentonite clay. If you don't have bentonite, you can use Aztec or Rasul clay, and some apple cider vinegar, as well as rosemary essential oil. Now, I use a silicone-based spatula because apparently if you use a metal spoon or any kind of kitchen tool, then the clay will absorb the lid, and then it makes it less effective. So just to be on the safe side, make sure you use either a wooden spoon or a silicone-based spatula, and then you mix them all up together. I forgot to add that I also use olive oil. Just a little bit though, not too much, into my mask, just for moisture and hydration. And then I quickly apply it onto my skin. Alright guys, while I'm applying the bentonite clay, let me tell you about the benefits and properties that the clay has. It helps absorb excess oil, so if you have oily skin, the face mask is great for your skin type. The clay's ability to absorb excess oils makes it perfect for those with acne and acne-prone skin. It also helps reduce the appearance of pores and tightens your face, and helps minimize, again, the appearance of prominent pores. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and so if you have any breakouts, or if you just need your skin to kind of be soothed, then the clay is perfect for your skin. Now, what I usually do after I've applied the mask is I leave it on for about 10 minutes, and I let it dry down to about 90%. I don't let it dry down all the way, and then I rinse it off. Once I'm done with that, then I use a hydrating mask. This time I used a sheet mask and just left that on for a couple of minutes, and then put eye masks underneath afterwards. So I really had a good pamper session. I even washed my hair on this day, and then I was done, and this is the result. My skin feels really good. It feels just even and tight, and looking really fresh and bright. I hope this helped. It's really quick, it's easy. I do this once a week, every Sunday, and I've really seen a difference in how bright and clear my skin really looks. So I hope it helps, and let me know if you give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.